Not sure which niche is worth your time? Many beginners waste weeks on ideas that never make money. Picking a profitable niche can feel like guesswork, but AI makes it easier. Here is the exact prompt I type. Feel free to pause if you want to copy it. In seconds, ChatGPT gives insights on competition, audience interest, and potential opportunities for each niche. You can also check Google Trends separately to see search interest over time. This helps you spot growing niches and compare relative popularity without guessing. But knowing the data isn't enough. You need a step by step method to validate your niche and turn it into a business. That's exactly what the AI Business Builder Challenge delivers. In 5 beginner friendly episodes, it guides you through selecting a profitable niche, creating a plan, and starting your business efficiently. Along with the challenge, you also get bonuses like the silent marketer strategy to reach massive audiences without showing your face, plus a copy and paste database of tested AI prompts to save time and guesswork. Stop guessing which niche will work. Use AI to research and validate your next business. The AI Business Builder Challenge makes it simple and approachable for less than the price of a casual lunch. Check out the link in the description to get started.